Forest Tech. As always, we bring you tech reviews, tips and tutorials to help you live life smarter. Sometime back, I did a review of the C24G1. Link above if you want to go check it out, mainly because it was a budget 144Hz option coming at around $150. This panel comes for around $250, so it isn't the most budget option. But its price does have its reasons and PowerPoints. Let's find it out. Design-wise, it's a black matte plastic all around with few gaming accents similar to the G1, including the metallic finish red ring and chevrons on the back. So a little touch of gaming spirit is there. Setting it up is simple. You have a support for 100 and 100 VESA mount as well. Now this variant doesn't come with speakers, but the same model with the U in the end has speakers in it. I'm going to drop the link in the comments for you. Having all essentials including HDMI DisplayPort, CD quick setup guide and power cord, the AOC C24G2 comes with a silver stand base. Some regions have the black one as well. Extension arm has a nice bend to it. It's easy to slide it up and down almost about 5 inches. I've got 30 degrees of rotation to both sides, and wait, it can do this as well. To the back side and the 90-degree rotation. Most wanted for multiple displays. On the back, you'll have not one but two HDMI 1.4 ports, so VGA 3.5 and out ports for you, and a display port 1.2A. It's justified to say it's almost borderless, with the only visible frame right at its bottom, so the screen overall pops out clean and clear when you're using it for even movies, games, or your design work. We don't have issues like reflections and glares up to deal with, and the display itself, even at smallest fonts, remains clear and readable. Similarly, the color reproduction of both images and videos has no issues. With 300 nits of brightness, it's an 8-bit screen. Both blacks and whites are distinct in different levels of brightness. Now, I felt color renders on this straight out of the box were excellent. No adjustments were needed for me. It's both punchy and vibrant, and for even most lit rooms, it will suffice. Even for artists and designers who are looking for a color accurate screen, will find that gladly covers 86% Adobe RGB, 100% sRGB, and 92% of DCI-P3 color space. With its default settings, I ran some games, browsed the internet, watched some YouTube videos, and felt no need to fiddle with the color settings. However, if you want, you have an on-screen adjustment buttons right at the bottom right, which will give you controls to dynamic contrast ratio, color balance, blue light mode for reading, and night usage, along with some color presets like FPS, RTS, racing, and so on. Yes, you can use both its HDMI and DisplayPort for higher FPS gaming, but G-Sync can only be used via DisplayPort. When it comes to dark, low-lit environments in both games and videos, did quite well, and blacks were deep enough to consolidate for the luminance. Alright, so if I have to take an all-rounded consensus of the screen, the color contrast, motion blur, refresh rates both for both Adaptive Sync and G-Sync, this thing has formed into an ideal display for one main reason: its size, which is 24-inch. So an IPS display with 144Hz, a quick response time, a good color space for designers, along with a decent brightness, I'm happy to say that this is the right one for sure, and I'm sure you would agree to it if you happen to use it, even for a while. That's everything I wanted to talk about. I'll be pinning a link to this monitor in comments. If you like what you see, go hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another one. Till again, Forest Tech, signing out.